Welcome back. Now, one aspect of our Amazon Author Central account will be that we can post events. And if you don't have tour events that you're going to be doing, you are going to want to create online events that you can post to Amazon Author Central. Now, in order to create an online event, you can use any webinar or online meeting system, and there are plenty of them available, such as zoom.us. Now, you're going to need to make your link for your event short and memorable so that it can be seen inside of Author Central. So one thing that you can do from a WordPress website or from any link shortening program is that you can put a short link together. We're going to use this plugin called Affiliate Link Cloaking by ClionPid, and we're going to use it in order to shorten our webinar or our online event link. And once the plugin is installed, we can use a link shortener that is relevant to the event that we want people to come to and remember. So we can make a memorable link with the plugin, and we can place our webinar link here for a redirect. And when we save this link, it'll be much more memorable for our viewers from our Amazon Author Central page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.